When I enrolled, the staff was great. Everyone that I talked to walked me through each step, took me through the financial aid part of it, took me through the classes part, took me through the campus, let me see what it was like. And they encouraged me to go forward with my dream. And they said they would be there every step of the way, and so far they have been.
The students here, they're really welcoming, and the teachers are very knowledgeable. The motivational part is good as well. Some of the students just kind of help each other stay motivated, and I always look forward to coming.
My favorite thing about the HVAC program is the opportunities that we have for after graduation and the hands-on training that I had while I was here.
It's a unique culture here. Different backgrounds brings different cultures, and you get to learn from everybody.
My plans after I graduate the HVAC program, I'm going to actually re-register to go back to school for get an associate's in business management and basically use that to further my career.
This is an awesome experience. It's something that won't go away for many years. It'll be here for a long time. So if it's something you're looking to get into, then you're making a great choice. You have plenty of support here, and staff is awesome. So I would say go ahead with it. You're doing a good thing,